Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom lists in Excel. Custom lists can be a huge time saver if you frequently enter the same set of values in your worksheets. Instead of typing them out every time, you can create a custom list and use it to fill in cells automatically. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your custom list. To create a custom list in Excel, first click on the File tab in the Excel ribbon. From there, select Options from the left-hand menu. This will bring up the Excel Options dialog box. Next, select Advanced from the list on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the General section, and click on the Edit Custom Lists button. This will bring up the Custom Lists dialog box. In the Custom Lists dialog box, click on the New List button. Then, type in the entries for your custom list, one per line, and click Add. This will add your custom list to Excel. Step 2. Apply your custom list. Now that you've created your custom list, you can use it to fill in cells automatically. To do this, select the cells where you want to apply the custom list. Next, click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon, and select Data Validation. This will bring up the Data Validation dialog box. In the Data Validation dialog box, select List from the Allow drop-down menu. Then, in the source field, type equals your custom list name, without the quotes, where your custom list name is the name you gave to your custom list in step 1. Click OK to close the dialog box. Now, you should be able to select values from your custom list in the selected cells. You've just learned how to create custom lists in Excel. Now you can save time and make your worksheets more efficient by using custom lists to quickly fill in cells with frequently used values. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials.